Welcome back to SF Car Reviews, where power meets perfection, and today, we're taking you into the world of something so extraordinary, it blurs the line between a supercar and a luxury mansion on wheels. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, the most extreme, luxurious, and futuristic motorhome ever imagined. From the very first glance, you realize this isn't just another RV, it's a moving piece of art sculpted with Lamborghini's DNA. The exterior is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Italian. The front fascia carries those sharp, iconic Lamborghini angles, with razor-edged LED headlights that slice through the darkness like a predator's eyes. The matte black finish gives it a stealthy, dominant look, like a spaceship that decided to live on Earth. The massive six-wheel design gives it a commanding stance, and those gold-accented rims perfectly contrast the matte body. Every inch of the exterior has been engineered for aerodynamics, from the sculpted side panels to the air intakes that look straight out of a fighter jet. Even the rear of the motorhome screams performance, with a continuous LED light strip and the Lamborghini logo glowing like a badge of honor. This is not just design, it's emotion, precision, and power fused into one masterpiece. But step inside, and your jaw will drop even further. The interior of the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 redefines what luxury travel means. It's not just comfortable, it's breathtaking. The cabin welcomes you with soft ambient lighting that flows seamlessly along the carbon fiber walls. The seats are handcrafted from the finest Italian leather, stitched in gold, perfectly combining sportiness with elegance. The dashboard feels like the cockpit of a futuristic spaceship. Multiple curved OLED touchscreens surround the driver, providing real-time data, navigation, and even AI-assisted driving insights. You can control everything, from lighting to temperature, simply by voice command. Say, "Lambo, dim the lights," and it obeys instantly. Behind the cockpit lies the lounge, a space Lamborghini calls the lounge of power. This area is designed to make you forget you're in a vehicle. A large L-shaped leather sofa wraps around the room, with hidden massage systems and adjustable recline settings. The panoramic smart glass windows can switch from transparent to tinted at the touch of a button, offering both openness and privacy. Next, we move into the kitchen area, the Italian luxury kitchen on wheels. It's compact yet ultra-modern, with matte black cabinetry, carbon fiber countertops, a built-in induction stove, and a hidden espresso machine. Everything feels minimal yet purposeful, just like in a high-end penthouse apartment. And of course, Lamborghini's signature hexagonal design language is visible everywhere, even in the sink and light fixtures. Then comes the bedroom, the true heart of this rolling masterpiece. A king-size floating bed dominates the room, wrapped in black leather and glowing softly from the LED strips below. Above you, the ceiling transforms into a panoramic skylight, letting you sleep beneath the stars wherever you go. The walls are lined with soundproof carbon panels, ensuring total peace and quiet, while integrated AI controls let you adjust everything from bed temperature to window opacity. The bathroom, too, is unlike anything seen in a motorhome before. It's designed like a 7-star hotel suite. Black marble walls, gold accent lighting, a rainfall shower, and a smart mirror that displays time, weather, and even plays music while you get ready. Everything inside feels futuristic yet deeply luxurious, the kind of space that makes you forget you're inside a vehicle. Now, let's talk about what drives this beast. Underneath all that beauty lies a hybrid V12 Twin-Turbo engine, paired with plug-in electric power. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower. For a motorhome, that's absolutely insane. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just about 6.5 seconds, faster than some sports cars, yet it rides as smooth as a luxury yacht. The suspension is fully adaptive, adjusting automatically to road conditions and driving modes, from comfort to sport to off-road. Fuel efficiency is impressive for something this powerful. Thanks to its hybrid technology, it can travel over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge and a full tank combined. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while driving, making it not just a high-performance machine, but also a green innovation. The Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 also packs a full suite of intelligent safety systems: 360-degree pedestrian detection, automatic lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 3D surround cameras powered by AI. Despite its massive size, driving it feels surprisingly easy and intuitive. It's not just a luxury home, it's a fortress of technology and safety. And now, the question everyone's been waiting for: the price. Owning this masterpiece doesn't come cheap. The Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 starts at around $3.8 million, or roughly 140 million Thai baht. But what you get for that price is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. It's a statement. It's Lamborghini rewriting what's possible in automotive design and redefining what home can mean on the open road. To sum it up, the Lamborghini Motorhome 2026 isn't just a motorhome, it's a revolution. It combines the heart of a supercar, the soul of Italian craftsmanship, and the comfort of a 7-star resort. Whether you're driving through the Alps or parked by the ocean, this machine makes every journey an unforgettable story. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning a Lamborghini that lets you sleep in it, your dream has officially come true. Because this isn't just luxury on wheels, it's Lamborghini luxury unleashed. Thanks for watching SF Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of futuristic cars and luxury machines that are changing the world of automotive design. See you in the next video. And remember, with Lamborghini, the road is just the beginning.